Craving ka ng barbecue pero tinatamad mag-ihaw? Try mo na this sizzling pork barbecue na juicy and tasty na, smothered in a sweet and savory glaze pa, kaya lalong level up ang sarap. Pork barbecue is one of my most popular recipes and for good reason. It's tried and tested and sure to be a crowd pleaser. I like using pork shoulder which has a good mix of fat and meat. Slice it very thinly and across the grain for tenderness and easy cooking. For the marinade, I use spicy vinegar for a bit of heat, but you can use regular vinegar and add chili peppers if you want more control over the spiciness. The marinade also includes soy sauce, 7-Up or Sprite, Maggi oyster sauce for a sweet and savory boost, brown sugar, lots of garlic, and pepper. Marinate the meat in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight para manuot ang lasa. I like to cook the pork on my stovetop griddle. The beauty of this method ay hindi mo na kailangan magtuhog or mag-grill sa labas, especially if umuulan or sobrang init ang panahon. If you don't have a griddle, pwede kang gumamit ng wide pan, oven, or air fryer. Painitin ang griddle at arrange ang marinated pork in a single layer. Grill lang ang meat at turn as needed for even cooking and to prevent burning. Pag malapit ng maluto and no longer pink, baste with a mixture of banana ketchup, sesame oil, and Maggi oyster sauce to infuse more flavor and aroma. Heat the sizzling plate and boil the base mixture for a few minutes. Slice ang pork barbecue into thin pieces, ilagay sa plate, and drizzle with the sauce. I like to serve this sizzling pork barbecue with Java rice. They make a hearty and tasty combo any meal of the day. Enjoy!